Hello folks, thanks for joining me today. What we're going to be doing today is a scroll saw project. This is another Steve Good pattern. It's another lidded box. I'm going to be using oak for the lid and the bottom of the box, and a nice thick piece of just white pine for the middle of the box. I haven't got anything thick enough planed up to what I want to put in the middle of it, basically. So I've got this nice piece of pine, the same stuff as what I did on one of the vases with the oak. So we're going to use that for the middle. It's all going to be in time lapse, and we'll just crack on with it. So I hope you enjoy the video. One thing I'd like to add, I'd like to say thank you to my new Patreon supporter. If you would like to support my channel and help me continue making videos, I'll leave the link down in the description down below to my Patreon site, and it's up to you if you want to make a donation or whatever, but thank you very much. Right then folks, it's all been cut out. I've sanded all that back in there to accommodate the lid. It's all been glued together now. The lid fits on there nice. Just got to do a bit of final sanding all around the edges now and make it all flush, and then I'm going to run that part on a bit of sandpaper to make it nice and flat so the lid fits on nice. But yeah, it's turned out okay. I'm going to get it sanded now and then we'll put some finish on it. Right folks, that little project's finished now. I'll just show you the box there. Nice little fitted lid on it. Is that the right way up? No. No. Tell you what, this oak flooring, I got it given to me about a year ago now. And I've probably got about 30 pieces of it left. I'll be sorry when it goes because the grain in it is absolutely beautiful. But there you go. That's that little project done. It took about 5.5 to 6 hours all in total to finish the box and stain it and everything. Not stain it, put the oil on. But it's absolutely roasting here in Britain at the minute. I was trying to put the glue on. As I was brushing the glue on, it was drying as I was putting it on, so you can't win. It's either freezing cold and you can't do no glue ups in the shed, or it's too warm and it's still not good enough. But yeah, that's the project. If you like it, please smash the like button. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Share the video amongst your friends, it all helps me out. And I'll leave all the links in the description down below. All my Amazon wish list and everything's all down there. My Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram. I have got a page on Facebook. If you want to go on there, you can leave comments and leave reviews on there, whatever. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again with another project soon.